Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I am SAEED. Have you ever pondered what you actually want and why? Why work this hard? Why go this far? Why try to learn this much? Why try to do it all? Why try to see it all? Why try to have it all? Why study? Why put yourself out? Why to take on this much responsibility? Why develop yourself to the next level? And so on. And why dreaming? And why follow goals? You got to keep dreaming. Your better future is dreaming for yourself and for your family. You got to dream and dream. You got to go for something that inspires. Without dreams, we all will die. Don't lose your dreams for yourself, for your future, and for your family, for doing things, becoming something. Keep dreaming. Set goals. What are your goals? You have got to have your goals. Short-range goals. Your goals for tomorrow. Your goals for next week. Your goals for next month. For next year. For next 5 years. And so on. Your dreams. Love it. Follow it. And work hard and accomplish your dreams. Your why is a statement of purpose that describes why you do the work you do and why you live the lifestyle you do. It's your calling, it is your conviction, it's your mission statement, it is the vision of your life and work. It's like reflection of your dreams. Remember, life goals are essentially everything you want to do before passing on. Dreaming is life and setting goals gives you purpose. So know your why and be in love with your why. Stay with Shaikhain.